In this tutorial, you will learn how to download satellite imagery into the management tree, add as a possible map background, and create a map of your data that includes the satellite imagery. The software provides you with a free tool to download satellite imagery for your fields. These images can be added to your management tree as a new dataset. To begin, open SMS. Go to File in the menu and click Download Imagery from Internet. The Internet Imagery Download Options dialog will now appear. The software provides you with three options to download imagery, such as by your farms and fields, for a specific set of GPS coordinates, or by city and state. If you currently have farms and fields in your management tree that you want to download images, choose the appropriate grower name from the drop-down list. If you are going to be manually selecting a location using the latitude and longitude, or a particular city and state, put in the correct data, and then click OK when finished. The Images Clipping dialog will now open. The options you have available in this window will vary depending on how you selected to download imagery. If you chose to download images for existing farms and fields, then Clip by Field is the default selection, and if left selected, the image that is downloaded will be clipped to a square bounding box. You will also have the option to clip the image to your frozen field boundaries, which will result in an image that is a perfect match to your field boundaries that you have previously frozen. Selecting Clip by Farm will create an image set around your farm boundary. You can choose to expand the clipped area by a set percentage, up to 1 square mile around your field if you would like the downloaded image to displace a larger viewing area. If you chose to download images based on GPS coordinates or a set city and state, the first two image clipping options will be grayed out and the default selection will be no clipping. If left selected, the downloaded image will represent approximately 25 square miles around the selected location. The other available option is to clip by manual selection. If checked, the following window will let the user manually select rectangular regions of the image to import so that it is not as large. After making the clipping selections, click Next. If on the first screen you selected to download images for an existing grower, the Select Data Filters window will now be displayed, allowing you to select what grower, farms, and fields you would like the download imagery for. After clicking Next, the Image Import Settings window will now open. The default selections are to add to the management hierarchy. If left selected, the following window will allow the user to choose what growers, farms, and fields they wish to download images for. You can also choose to add the image as a possible map background by typing a description and choosing what type of background to set the image as. If you don't wish for the image to be saved in your software and instead will just be using to manually draw the field or farm boundary, then choose to add as a temporary reference for the boundary editor only. Click Finish after making the image import settings selection. If you selected to import the image for an existing grower, the management selection window will now open and allow you to select the year, operation, instance, and product that you want the image to be saved under. Click Accept when finished. The imagery will now be downloaded to your software. The time it takes to complete the downloaded process will depend on the number of images being downloaded and your internet connection speed. Now that the imagery has been saved to your software, you can incorporate it into other map types and even add as a map background. You have now learned how to download satellite imagery, save imagery to your management tree, or create a background to be used for your farms and fields. For more short tutorials from Ag Leader, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.